Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. Here in Georgia, it's a little overcast, but it's not too cold. It's just about right for this time of year for us down here. And so today I'm going to be making some northern beans, and I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in. And then I'm going to add in my northern beans. And so I'm going to be adding in chicken broth, but if you just want to use water, whatever you want to use, that's fine. But I have 4 cups of chicken broth here. Stir it. Okay, and then I'm going to add just a few pieces of crushed red pepper. And some minced onion flakes. This is taking too long doing it that way. Okay. And I'm going to add in some garlic powder. Okay, and so now then I'm going to put my lid on my Instant Pot. Okay, so I hit it. I set it on beans and lentils, and I put it up to 35 for my time limit. And so when it gets through cooking, I'll be back and I'll show you what these beans look like. And this is the first time I've used my Instant Pot in a long time, so I guess we're learning together today. Okay, I'm going to also make some cream potatoes to go with our northern beans. Hi everyone, I'm back and my beans have cooked in my Instant Pot. I let them slow release, and while they were doing that, I fixed some okra and cornbread and cream potatoes. Me and Kevin worked on that together, and he didn't show himself on the camera today, but he did help me. And so I'm going to open this lid up now and see how they are doing. I hadn't used my Instant Pot in a while, and they look really great. They're thick enough for me, and they smell really good. Okay, so I'm going to fix this up a plate, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back now, and I'm cooking my navy beans in my Instant Pot with success. I like the way they come out and the way they looked, and so now I'm going to do the taste test and see if they taste as good as they look. They are very delicious. I love the way that this meal turned out, and I was glad for the help that Calvin gave me. He made the cornbread, and then I made the cream potatoes and the okra. We didn't show that part in the video though, but I was really grateful that he helped me pull it all together, and I'm sure that he's going to enjoy this meal just like I'm fixing to. And the beans were delicious when I tasted of them, and I am going to put me some chow chow on mine. May put even a little onion on it. And so I guess we're going to close our video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video, and y'all have a great day. Bye.